positive energy solution with positive charge density, negative energy solution with negative energy charge density. Now problem is that the density must never, probability and density must never be a negative. Okay, so mostly scientists think that the KG equation is flawed, and we must move toward the another equation, because we can't ignore this negative solution, because in quantum mechanics we know that we have already studied in quantum mechanics, a simple undergraduate level quantum mechanics, the set must be complete. Okay, all bases must be included for completeness. So if we ignore this solution and we say that this is, then that means that will be not a complete set. Okay, they will be not. So we can't ignore this this part, but there is no physical that is not acceptable for mostly scientists, because they were, how it is possible, what is the meaning? If an electron has a negative energy, then it will be fall and fall and fall and fall. If there is, they will be drop and drop and drop and drop, and finally radiation continues. Okay, and there is a negative charge density concept that is also not acceptable. There are actually remove this concept by considering a new equation. We will not go in the new equations. Only I'm just writing. Okay. Dog use the dog reject this equation, KG equation, that is right. Dog use this equation. How it is derived, I will explain in the next lecture. Where x will not, he used that x naught will be not Lorentz scalar. That KG equation was a Lorentz scalar. Why this is not Lorentz scalar, we will discuss in the next lecture. Lorentz scalar, but this was not a Lorentz scalar, but spinor. God consider it as a spinor. But spinor, but there are spinor with spin equal to 1/2. So this was specially designed for a lepton. The KG equation has a no restriction on a spin. Okay, there was a no condition, but dog spinor has a condition about the. Okay, but in this case, but in dog equation, unfortunately, but in this equation there are DIRAC, but in there are equation negative charge density problem has been solved. Means the solution of this equation, we will drive the we will find the charge density, and we will prove that the charge density will be a positive. But negative energy solution still exist. So, according to Drog, this new equation which we will drive and we will discuss in detail in next lecture. Rho is 1, rho is positive with E greater than 0. The second, he has proved that rho is positive, E negative. There are two. They have also two solutions, in a negative energy solution and positive energy solution. Okay, but he had interpreted this negative energy solution. There are interpreted negative energy solution by considering that negative energy solution by considering that, yes, what Drog has done, he considered that only 5 minutes, okay, just one. Okay. What Drog has done, Drog said that there is some well, there is a two solution. This solution E is less than 0. This is E greater than 0. There are two types of okay. C. This negative C is vacuum. He said that is vacuum. Okay, and this is a vacuum, and this is filled with the negative energy solution, negative energy electron. And because Drog equation deal with the spin half particles, so all this negative energy solution, negative energy vacuum will be filled with the electron, and electron will obey the, that is completely filled, and electron will be completely filled with the yes, but electron has a spin 1/2, so only 2 electrons will be mean that will obey the Pauli exclusive principle. He said that all the electrons occupying the negative energy C, okay, negative energy electron will follow the Pauli exclusive principle. If it is according to Pauli exclusive principle, if this C is filled, no electron may be entered into it. Because if that is not Pauli, if that is not electron, then they will be, if they don't follow the Pauli exclusive principle, the electron will be fall and fall and fall and fall. But he gives the solution that since these are only the electron, negative vacuum is filled with the negative energy electron, and they follow the Pauli exclusive principle. So no electron can enter into this C. So he said only possibility is that if we provide energy H cut omega, that is energy, we know that. Okay, if the photon of the energy, and this energy is equal to this difference, these are has a mass m naught. Here is also electron that has a positive energy m naught. Okay, so if this hit the electron, and then this will be, this electron will be jump into the upper positive energy level. That is the only possibility. If the electromagnetic, if the energy provided by electromagnetic form, and this will eject this electron to this energy difference, and that this energy difference will be equal to, because here this mass is यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो गया और यहाँ चला गया. Rho will be positive. He solved the problem of the charge density. That will be a positive. Okay, but energy may be a positive or negative. So he explained what is the meaning of the negative energy. Okay, so here charge density is the positive, but energy still exists the negative energy. 1 minute, please. But I have to complete only this picture. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So he said when it move upward, the condition is H cut omega must be greater than, because here hole is created, this is m naught energy, this is m. So this energy must be greater than or equal to 2 m naught. Okay. Okay. And here will be, when this electron will be jump into this, here will be hole. Yes, that is the dark hole. So, and hole. Okay. Hole have, yes. What is the mass? Mass will be equal to, the effective mass will be, have mass equal to mass of electron. Yes, because electron is leaving. Okay. Yes. And what will be the charge? And charge will be opposite to the charge of electron. What is that? Positive. That is that positive? Okay. So he stated that the electron, and this will be you may say that this is the like antiparticle. When electron will be jump into this hole, okay, this antiparticle or the Dirac hole will be combined like and energy will be emitted when it will jump from and when electron from positive energy will jump into this hole to fill this hole, then energy will release. This process is like pair creation and annihilation. Okay, so this was the idea of the Dirac. Okay, according to, as we have already discussed, according to Dirac interpretation, the electron negative. What is the interpretation of negative energy? Okay. Electron negative energy C or a vacuum is filled with the electron. Okay, and because that are electrons, spin half particles, and they will obey the Pauli exclusive principle. So because this is filled, so they will no electron will be jump into this C. Up till we provide the external energy, that must be greater than this difference, okay, and that must be greater than or equal than 2 m0. M0 mean mass of electron, means the energy of electron. When this energy will be, they have enough energy, they will be jump onto this, and here it will create a, yes, that will be, when electron will jump from negative energy to upward, it will create a hole. Yes. So now as electron will be come here, okay, and here will be hole created. What is the hole? You must know what is the and Dirac defined that hole is, what is hole? Deficiency of electron is defined as hole. Okay, and what is the mass? This because this is deficiency of the electron, so energy will be equal to the mass. So this implies that mass will be equal to m0, equal to mass of electron. Okay, but charge, because here will be a deficiency of the negative charge, so this will behave like a, but have positive charge equal in magnitude of, yes, charge on electrons. Electron have a negative charge, but positron will have, hole will be have a positive charge. Okay, and the energy will be the energy of this will be because it is a negative energy electron, but energy will be a positive because it so what is happening? The photon is coming. Okay, this is not photon. This is like a gluon. Okay, photon is coming, and it is producing one electron. When this will jump into here, when this electron will be jumped, because this is a vacuum and this is filled with the negative energy electron. But when energy, when you wave electromagnetic wave of energy equal or greater than this electron will be jump into the a positive energy space, okay, and it will create a hole here. All these are electrons, and this will be a jump into here, and it will hole, okay, and here will be a positive. So now here hole is created, and here is electron is created. So So this process is defined as, yes, pair creation. So this process will be defined as a pair creation. Okay. Okay. When this electron will jump into this negative energy electron, okay, then what will be happen? Mean if another electron jump here, okay, this electron will be, because यहाँ electron खत्म हो जाएगा, okay, and this electron will be jump into this hole, they will be vanish, okay, this will become again vacuum, okay. So this electron will be jump into the hole, okay, the equal amount of energy will be emitted. Then the energy, okay, I draw a new picture. Okay. When this electron will be jump into this hole, okay, the energy will be emitted, okay, and this process is defined as, yes, pair inhalation. So this process will be a pair creation, okay. This process will be a pair creation, and this process will be defined as pair inhalation, okay. That is defined by the thereof, okay. And yes, so yes, okay, 1 minute. I think I must. Yes. And in pair creation, in pair inhalation, okay, electron energy the whole energy, okay. or you may say that electron positive energy, electron negative energy. इन दोनों का difference जो है that will be mean if we are not considering, if we are considering that is negative energy electron and the both combination will be equal to h cut omega. Okay, both difference. Mean if you take what is the difference between that? This is the energy of both are negative electron. Okay, both are negative electron. This is the positive energy. Electron has two type of energy. This electron has positive energy. This has a negative energy. Okay, and what is this positive energy is equal to? I have already explained. Yes. P square plus ME square. Yes. What is the negative energy? They have an electron has a two solution. One is positive energy solution. You may say that, for example, this is electron has positive energy. You may say that E plus E electron positive energy electron. Okay. E negative mean negative energy electron. Okay. What is the positive energy? I have already said this is ME square. Okay. What is the negative energy? We have find the solution. What is that? Minus, mean momentum may be different, so I may write this minus plus ME square. Okay. If I say this equation is X, putting in equation X, this will be h cut omega P square plus ME square minus P square plus this momentum will be a different than this momentum. Okay, this will be equal to this. Yes, when we add both, this will be h cut omega. This will be equal to P square plus ME square plus P square plus ME square. Okay, and this will be h cut omega. Yes. Oh, sorry, this is m dash square. Okay, so that will be not equal to 2 because this momentum and this momentum is different. Okay. 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 Now both are positive energy of electron plus positive energy of hole. So that will be the interpretation, okay, by the Dirac. Okay. Why it is this interpretation is not applied to the KG equation, because I have already explained this interpretation was about the Dirac equation, not KG equation, because KG equation is also, there was a not only problem of the negative energy solution, but there was another problem, that was the charge density problem. In KG equation, In Kg equation, the charge density is also a negative as well as the energy. There is this negative energy. But in Drag equation, only there was only problem about the negative energy solution, not about the charge density. So that's why that was considered the only acceptable solution at that time. And Kg equation was completely refused. Okay. But after then, Pauli comes. Okay. And Pauli and the other name was Wiskopf. Sorry. As I'm very bad memory about the names, so that's why. So Pauli and Wiskopf, I don't know the exact pronunciation. Okay, you may check it on the Google. Okay, so he again considered the Kg equation. Okay, and he said that we may get interpretation about the Kg equation and scalar field, and he stated that actually we are choosing the wrong path by considering the wrong expression of current density. He said that we should. This is not a current density. He said current density of Kelvin-Gordon equation is not current density, but it is actually the charge density. Okay, and we must consider J mu One minute, please. This was the expression for the 4-vector current density. Okay, but he replaced it with J mu is actually must be multiplied with the charge yes, mean if this is positive, okay, yes, minus I k for electron, because electron charge is negative, so he considered that is minus okay. So if he replace it with this, okay, where Q is charge on where Q is electric charge, not charge, electric charge for scalar field or solution of Kg equation, okay, that will be negative for electron and positive for positron as anti-particle. He considered that instead of considering the hole, he considered that we don't need a hole. He proposed that negative energy are not only whole but may be as particle as anti-particle of electron may be called as a positron. Okay, so he considered that this is not only the other is not whole, but it is a so now the charge density problem is solved because we are not considering the charge density. We are not considering we are actually multiplying with this. If there is a negative energy, then it will be multiplied with the if the negative charge density, Q will be a positive, and for positive energy, that will be Q will be a negative. Okay. Where's the duster? Okay, got it. This Q will be okay. And when we put the values and J mu will become yes. What was the J mu after putting the values? J mu was up to yes 2 psi m 2 no, not iota 2 psi m square 2 psi m square P mu. That was the solution. Firstly, we have discussed, and this will be replaced with the J mu 2Q P mu psi m square. Now the Q will be multiplied as I have. They may be positive. Okay. So for positive, this will be for positive energy electron. So he said because Q is because Q is charge on electron. Yes? Okay. He considered that Q is charge on electron and this will be a positive because electron has a positive energy. Okay. But for negative energy solution of Kg equation, yes. What is now negative charge? Sorry. But for positron anti-particle of electron, what will be happen? Yes. But for positron, which is anti-particle of electron, Q will be replaced with minus Q. If this is minus Q, this will be a positive Q. You have to multiply with the negative number. Okay. So J mu will become a 2 minus Q P mu psi m square. Okay. 1 minute. This may also write as J mu is 2Q P mu mean yes, because I have already Pu is EP in column. Yes, this is equal to this. Now this equal to this, because now the charge will be this positive charge, this negative charge of electron will be multiplied for positron with the minus number. Okay, and this will be equal to this, and this may be right as yes. This minus will be 2 minus Q. The same Pu is E and P. Okay. Very simple. Yes. This minus will be multiplied. Maybe multiply. What is the property of matrices? It will multiply with all the element. Okay. So 2Q, yes, minus E minus momentum. Yes. And this is psi m square. Yes. Okay. What is this? That was problem. Negative energy, negative movement. But charge is positive. For positron and the particle, charge is different. We have only multiplied with the negative Q, energy is positive. Here energy is positive. E and P both are positive. But for positron, the Q will be 2Q. Now this is charge of minus E minus P. This P line means 3 vectors. Okay. That was a 4 momentum and this was a 3 momentum. Yes. Yes. Okay. If we compare it with this equation X, if we compare it with equation X, if I say that this is equation X, okay. This is 4 vector. We get Q is charge on electron, but negative, but with negative energy and negative momentum. So in this way he solved the problem. He said that, and he mathematically he proved that if we consider the negative energy electron, this will actually representing the positron. So negative energy and negative momentum electrons are nothing else antiparticle positron with positive energy and positive momentum. So he said that actually energy and momentum are not negative, and actually their charge is negative. So this mathematically it will become why that was a negative. So that what was the problem in current density? The electron Hafiz, what was the problem? The electron, there was a negative sign with the electron energy and there was a negative sign with the momentum. But now he considered that if we consider the charge on positron that is positive, then this problem will be solved. Okay. So he said that the whether there is a negative energy or a negative charge density, so the problem is there is no problem regarding recording to the KG equation. So charge density, even charge density and negative, he has interpreted the draw solution for negative charge density as well as the positive energy. Got it? Okay. Now there is only one question. It is not found only for the electrons. He also predict about the positron. How? Now question is, because the charge, electric charge is only on the electron or positron. We will, but what your proton or whatever. So this will be solved. The proton has also have an antiparticle. Okay, so he has solved problem for the electrically charged particle. But no question is what about the But what about the electrical yes as neutron? Then the Q will be 0. Are 0. Okay. Because electrical neutral particle will be represented by real scalar field electrically neutral particle will be not a complex field. Electrical charge particle has a complex field, but electrical neutral particle has a well, both are a scalar. Both are not scalar. For kg, both are scalar. But actually, electron is not a scalar field. But it will be discussed in the later. Up till now, you are considering the electron is a scalar field. Okay? That is the wrong concept. But Dog again claimed that that is wrong because when electron has a spin, they will not transform in under the Lorentz transformation as a scalar field, but it will be transformed as a spin half particle. And so we will discuss it in a later. But up till now, electron has an electrically charged particle and they are a complex field. They have a complex. We are considering the scalar field associated with them, but they are a complex. But in this, but neutron, what is meaning of this? For neutron, this psi star, that is a scalar field, okay? This will be equal to the same. Means if they are real, there is no complex conjugate, they are real. So when you take a complex conjugate, this will be equal the same. When they are the same, what will be happen? And when and J mu, yes. What will the J mu? Yes, that's what. Yes. Yes. What is will be J mu? This was a J mu. When you put this, they are same, but so this will be cancel out. So this will be cancel out, and J mu will become a so it's for the problem of electrically neutral problem. For particle 2. So for electrical neutral, there will be no. He has not considered any antiparticle, so that's they will be solved. But if they are electrical charge particles, they will have antiparticle. But the particle which are so no. If this is a 0, what is meaning that there is no Q. Okay. For this, there will be no Q because charge. There is no charge. Okay. Yes, I must write in. Sorry, that's my mistake. So there is a no Q. If there is a no Q, it is looking that they will create a negative energy problem and problem. But 0 is not positive or negative. So that's so no problem for So no negative energy. So no negative energy, negative momentum, or negative, yes, negative charge density problem for neutral. So if you have a neutral particle, the Q, there will be no Q. Okay, and you may assume that the negative energy problem will be again created. But because this is become a zero, so negative energy and negative charge density problem has been solved. Okay, so there will be no current density problem. Okay, so. Okay, the negative energy problem was coming due to this. Okay, got it? Neutral, sorry. And both are independently predicted by Feynman diagram. They have considered the they considered the drag and kg equation. Both they considered the both equations of drag equations and kg equation. And they have also considered the Pauli-Excelius interpretation. Okay, as antiparticle. They considered that one are particle and other are antiparticle. Electron has antiparticle as a neutron. Okay, but they represent it by using the Feynman diagram. How that is very interesting. They considered that electron as only electron with negative energy and negative momentum may be considered as positron with positive energy and positive momentum. They considered in such a, okay. As I have already explained in the case of the Pauli, okay. I have already explained it in, but he interpretation meaning. He told the meaning of this. Moving electron in इंटरप्रेट मीनिंग क्या है इसका, एक मिनट दोबारा समझने की, क्योंकि जरा कंसेप्ट जरा थोड़ा सा deeply here. He considered that the electron with negative energy means negative energy and negative momentum. Yes? Electron, he considered that electron with negative energy and negative momentum may be considered as positron with positive energy and positive momentum. J mu EP okay, both will be equal because charge, as I have already explained in the previous interpretation. Okay. Meaning they explain negative momentum mean electron moving toward negative in time. Reverse. Negative momentum mean negative time. Okay. He explained negative momentum mean electron moving toward negative time with negative energy are actually the positron moving toward positive time, mean towards future. They actually we can't. He interpreted actually we are not moving in a past. Actually, we are moving in a future. Okay, in a positive. But why mathematically it is looking that we are moving toward the negative? It actually the positron, mean the antiparticle, and that will be move up positive. Okay. So how they considered? For example, let's suppose this is any potential, retardant potential or scattering potential. Okay. They have considered double scattering process when electron passes through any potential. What is the meaning of this? He said that electron come here, what he has considered, the electron come, okay, T1, T2, T2 is greater than T1, okay, electron reflect as usually we consider that, okay? It is eliminated electron, okay. So due to this potential, the direction will be changed, okay. one scattering process. He said that it is possible. Actually, this is not. This process may be explained in this way, that the same, okay, the potential is same, okay. Maybe my drawing is not too correct, but it is very easily to understand. Okay, so if you consider that this is the same potential, okay, the same okay, the same same potential, maybe looking different, but you may consider that is the okay, the same because this is T1, this is this is T1, this is T2, same process, okay. But now electron is actually entered firstly hit T2, okay. Firstly, electron hit it at time T2. Good. Okay. It was a very strange, maybe a strange for you, because and come out at T2, T1. Like this. This is T1, okay. Actually, how he has explained that electron come, okay, here electron, okay, here electron come, positron electron negative moving toward past, no sorry, T2 is greater, positron, actually T2, it is looking at electron going to past, negative electron, okay. Actually, positron is going toward. Here was a positron T1 at T1 electron positron is created, and it moved toward the T2, and electron come here T2, and they are collide. Okay, and here pair annihilation is happened. I mean they both have been, and here pair creation is happened. Okay, so here electron is again created. Okay, and What's happened? Electron come at T2, okay, and they are pair annihilated at positron bed. That T positron is created, electron and positron pair created at T1, and they collide with each other at T2, where pair annihilation happen, and so final picture will be same electron is coming out, but there is this possibility too. So they consider that actually we have to consider this possibility too for when we are interested to calculate the amplitude, because the negative energy electron means the positron is. So here at T2 the here will be pair annihilation will be happen, and here will be T1 पे पास में पहले जो है पेयर क्रिएशन हुई, और ये बाद वाले टाइम के साथ पेयर इनहिलेशन हुई यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन की, और सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्चुअली पेयर इनहिलेशन की वजह से बाहर निकला, ये पेयर क्रिएशन की वजह से, ये पेयर creation. So two processes, but actually we will observe this electron come and this electron is come out. But actually the internal process is totally different. Got it? Spinless electrons in electromagnetic FI field. 5 minutes, ठीक है, हाँ उसी का आगे चला KG equation, because spinless particle is related to the spinless electron in electromagnetic field. We know that electromagnetic field has a two component. One is scalar field, one is vector field A. Okay. Okay, and this AU will be or Q. I mean, if I say that the charge on electron is Q, this will be a Q phi and A. Okay, and PU, now momentum will be, because momentum will be affected with the momentum will be equal to, yes, P mu plus Q A mu. This momentum will be replaced with the, this momentum will be replaced with the momentum plus we will add the gauge potential. Okay, that is called a gauge potential. Okay, and what is the this is momentum is replaced in the this fourth derivative, and this will be equal to okay, yes, and or if I consider that curly mu will be replaced with this iota curly. This is the expression of momentum. Yes, I have already okay. So if I because in KG equation we use this curly mu, so there must not any Q, so this will be equal to this, and In covalent form, this will be equal to this. Okay? Yes? What was the Kg equation? Yes. Curly mu, yes. What was the Kg equation? Kelvin-Gordon equation, yes, for free particle, yes, yes, this was a free particle, yes. What will be now? This Kg equation will be replaced with this curly mu minus IQ curly mu yes, sorry, here is a scalar field, okay. This would be equal to this. Okay. Yes. When we multiply, yes. Yes. This is curly mu, okay. Curly mu, plus m naught square yes, you are right. That's my mistake. Yes, that's why. Okay. Thanks for correction. This equal to this. Okay. This is equal to this. So IQ curly mu a mu. Okay. Then this will multiply with this. This will be minus. I have taken the minus common IQ. This will be a mu curly mu. Okay. And this will be while I have taken the minus. Okay. This will be equal to this. Okay. Minus plus. Iota square equal to minus. This will be plus k a mu. Yes, and that is equal to 0. Again, sorry, 1 minute. IQ curly mu a mu plus or minus a mu curly mu minus plus minus plus iota square equal to minus Q square A mu this is equal to 0. Yes? Yes? Or we may say that curly mu plus m naught square this will be IQ, okay, curly mu A mu plus A mu curly mu plus Q square A mu. What is the A mu? A mu contracting, both are contracting. So this is a scalar, so I may write it as a square. Okay. Yes. And negative of this equal to this, and this is actually mean this term is called V, potential, scattering potential, electromagnetic potential. That is minus IQ curly mu A mu plus A mu curly mu plus Q square. This is defined as a potential. Okay. So for today it is enough, I think.